Good afternoon, scholars. Welcome back to Ivy Hill Prep Science Experiments. Friends, this week we're going to make cool magic milk. We already know when we engage in science experiments, it always causes a chemical reaction. In this experiment, it's super cool to see how two ingredients, when they're mixed together, they make a chemical reaction that is amazing. It's colorful, it's fun, and it's cool to watch. Before we start our science experiment, we know we always need to be ready with our ingredients. We need to be safe, and we need to be prepared with everything that we need. Friends, for this experiment, you can have fun when you're done. You can play with it safely, but you have to throw it out right away. You cannot keep this experiment, and it's not safe to drink. Do not drink the milk when we're done. So friends, we're gonna start, but first, let's go over our ingredients. First ingredient is dish soap. You need some dish soap. 1 tablespoon is all you need. You need some cotton swabs. Some friends call them Q-tips, cotton swabs. Either way, same thing. Some milk, 1.5 cups of milk. Some food coloring, and a measuring tool to measure 1 tablespoon. Friends, let's get started. First, we take our 1.5 cups of milk and we pour it in a dish. Then it's time for the food coloring. You can choose any colors that you wish. I think I want to use all 4 of my colors: blue, yellow, green, and red. So I'm gonna take 1 food coloring at a time, and I'm going to pour 2 drops of food coloring right in the center of my milk. 1, 2. Wait, a little bit over with the red, it's okay. 1, 2 of my yellow. 1, 2 of my blue. Friends, you see how the food coloring, it's not moving, it's still, it's staying right in the center. Friends, this is when the chemical reaction occurs between 2 of the ingredients. Friends, you are going to take the cotton swab and you're going to dip it in the dish soap, and you're gonna put it right in the center of the food coloring. Let's see what happens. Look at that. That is magical, colorful. You saw what just happened? That was a chemical reaction between the dish soap and the protein and the milk fat. And it causes the protein and the milk to spread, and the food coloring just spread out magically. And then it starts moving, and you can stir it and see all the wonderful swirls and colorful designs. Wow, isn't that cool? If you want to add a little bit more food coloring after, you can do that to make it even more colorful. And then you take a little bit more of dish soap, you dip your cotton swab, and then you do it again. Watch this. Wow. Look at that cool magic milk. Friends, you can play with it. You can even make some colorful paper. You could dip some paper in your cool magic milk and have some wonderful patterns and marble on your paper. Look how cool that is. That is amazing. Friends, I hope that you enjoy making cool magic milk with your family and friends. And I can't wait to see the videos. I can't wait to see the pictures. Remember, throw out the milk once you're done. It was just cool to see how the dish soap interacts with the milk, and all of a sudden we saw that magic happen between the food coloring and the milk and the dish soap. Friends, enjoy the experiment for this week, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.